I was just seeing if maybe people wanted to give more subs to the chair. I guess it kind of worked. Thanks, Growlix, and thanks for M10. I appreciate it. More chair, more hype. I was just checking to make sure, you know, that no one else wanted to give any more subs to the chair. What's happening right now? People were gifting subs while I was away. So we do need to get a chair emote. What am I thinking? Oh crap, wrong chair. Gifted to the wrong chair streamer. Oh, that's really funny. It's a good thinking. It's good thinking, chat. I will see what I can do. We'll see what I can do. We do. Yeah, you can just type chair from BTTV. That's a solid point. All right, so this is better, right? So if we go back to our AST, this makes sense. Occasionally, you just have names. Like names can only be names. That part makes sense. Dots. This can also only be a name. Parameter lists. This can also only be a name. This makes sense too. So this is better. This is better. Name of name t, index of expert, or dot of expert name. This is good. You can only have this dotted this, right? So these are all good, I think. So now we need to go back and we need to say, what is var? Right? Var is this. So var is name n. Right? That should work. Or it's some prefix expression. So P is prefix exp. L bracket. Some expression. And some R bracket. And that's going to be... This is just index of P, E, like this, right? We don't have L bracket and R bracket yet. That's okay, though. So L par here. You can go token L brackets, token R brackets. We go to 2 here, and we go up to 18. Oops. Prefix X is undefined. Full-time left bracket creation. Never seen OCaml YAG. Yeah, it's technically OCaml Lex and Manir, but it's pretty similar in some ways. Okay, so then we need to do prefix exp, right? So we go back and we say, what's prefix exp? Let's find out. We go here, boop, boop, right? Let prefix exp is var. Okay, that seems a little bit weird. Var is one option. Okay. Or we have function call. Or we have... so this is where we actually want to put this, I think. Because this is really L par. E is exp. R par. E. Like this. And then I think, okay, so function call. But we'll just comment this line out for a sec. So I think we need to remove this. Because are we going to get prefix X shows up here? Yeah, so we just don't need to show this. We can just go prefix X. P is this. P. Yo, Deagle, thanks. Read the stream title. What are you creating Lester for? Yeah, for Lua. OCaml has humped on its back where it stores fats and water, which is the equivalent for OCaml. What? Oh, what? Okay, so I don't know which one of these is still experiencing this, because it's sort of like X Adam could be a prefix expression here. And I think V is var. Var is name, prefix expression, left bracket, right bracket. That's our index situation, right? And then our last one is that we could have some is prefix exp dot, and then N is name dot, and that's going to be PN like this. We don't have dot yet though, so we go back to here and we'll go dot. We didn't do period yet, did we? Okay. Maybe we should call this period. Period. Whatever. We'll call it dot. All right, name. There we go. What are some popular games written in Lua? Balatro. No angstrom. Trying it without angstrom. Lots of games embed Lua though, which is pretty cool. Been too obsessed with Balatro. I haven't played it yet, but I was thinking about playing it on stream soon. It seemed fun. Lua is so neat. Agreed. I really like it. So I don't know though why semicolons used, mod is unused, exp is unused. I guess we did not do that. That's probably true. Let's go ahead and do, yeah, because we didn't use mod yet, did we? Okay. This is exp. Maths. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. E1 is exp maths mod. Oh, right. This need all these then need to be changed to maths. Add mod E1 E2 like this. We didn't do mod yet. We did not. Mod of exper and mine does his OS version. Oh, nice, cool. Oh, we already have mod. Okay, we do have mod. Oh, we just called it mod. That makes sense. Or E1 is this, and it's X, right? Exponents. I actually don't know which way those need to go. Semicolons unused. That's fine. Okay, nice. Yeah, using Lua or anything other than embedded scripting just seems like pain. Yeah. I mean, it depends what you mean by embedded scripting. There's some big things that do it. I don't know. It seems good. Balatro and I don't know how many thousand lines with a bunch of ifs. Yeah, and they crushed. They made more money than I've ever made. So it almost turns out like sometimes shipping is good. Okay, so I think we're good here. What's up, Marashana? Welcome. It's going great, Sean. What about you? Playing the most chill 168er, kind of makes me go into front end. It's work-life balance team. Oh, nice. Very cool, Fly Guy. Well, welcome. Glad you're here. Prefix colon name args. Okay, cool. So we have oh, this one will be interesting to implement as we go further. That'll be kind of fun. What's up, teacher? I'm doing great. Maybe some coffee? Right here. We're getting closer. We're talking with people right now to get more coffee stuff. Okay, so we should probably write a few examples, don't you think? What's some examples we should probably include? Of the things we just did. We have integer, float, string, ellipsis, function. Oh, right, we can write a function now. I'd love to taste it. Yeah, we're working on it. Print expr function a b c a plus b plus c end. This shouldn't work yet. We don't have any way to do return. Well, we don't have a statement yet for this. We need a return statement. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Where are you, Kazakar? In the world? Not exactly. I don't need your home address or anything. Someone just call me. Poland? Yeah, we're trying to figure out European shipping for the next round. I don't know for sure that we'll get it or not, but we are trying. You know? Which is in some ways the best that you can ask. OcamLua, are we keep one based? Yeah, of course we're going to keep one based. It's the correct way to do it anyways. Oh, I guess we don't even need to do this. We can just take this here and just go keyword return. Hi, puppy. Get the best new intro song. Nice, Lycolate. Nice. All right, so a statement can also have a keyword return, and then E is expression, and then we can go... I guess that's just a statement, right? Return E. Right? And we don't know what we want to do with this yet. All right, and we don't need to do that. All right. Exp. And that's going to say, I think, oh, we do have return. Okay. Statements. Okay, so then I would have thought statement is this. We have some statement here. Oh, can't I do S is list of statements? Sweet, that works for the other ones. Return A plus B plus C. Do we not have this handling yet? Oh, Invisible Man. Hey, thanks, and Bertrand as well. I think you'll love it. Open source fork and make it zero based. Yeah, well, it'll be open sourced, of course. It already is. Program. Oh, right. Of course, because this isn't... Oh, wait, a block. A block should be a list of statements. Yeah, so then why is it when we do function, we say it should be a block? Is something going crazy right now? Mine. Huh. Some brave. What? What? One sec, chat. Okay, weird. I don't know. Whatever. How are you? I'm doing great. What about you? I love Nick's error message 300 long stack trace and error 10 long line file. Yeah. So this one is because print expert go to prefix expression. Okay, so I thought this was going to keyword function, left parenthesis, right? So let's check our case. Function here. Then we have a list. Ooh, I don't think we did comma list. Comma list here. Par list 1 is n is name list. Name list is just a list. Separated list. I don't remember which one is which. Separated list men ear. There's got to be somewhere in here, right, that it says separated list, comma and expression. Okay. Comma and expression. Do we have comma anywhere? We do. That's a name list. Can you get multiple theme songs and randomly select? I mean, that's a lot more work. Probably not. I like having one. Like, after a while, it's going to be nice. Like, I like being able to be, oh, so-and-so's here. Like, that's kind of fun. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's nice that I'll like know who, like, what sub it is that's here. That's part of the reason that I like it. Not like, oh, everyone's got 5 different ones, blah, blah, blah. I mean, there's also the meme part, but it's just funny and fun to have people, I can hear who's coming into the chat, which I think is a nice part of the experience. At least for me. Par list. Okay. Why is this erroring? How can I find out why this is erroring? So if we have some var, which could be a name. OCaml parsing. Pog. Okay, I don't understand. Can I get a better error than this somehow from Menhir? I don't know. I don't know how to get a better error than this. This should be an expression. So we get an expression, and we should get to, okay, we're trying to parse an atom here. We get keyword function. Some par list here, which would be a name list. Yeah. Separated list of comma and name. Yeah. That should be fine. What does it say? A type declaration. A possibly empty sequence of X's separated with seps. Well, that's what I want. That's exactly what I want. I guess technically this should probably be non-empty. Separated non-empty list. That seems good. But now I don't know why we're stuck here. Exp add here maths. Small x atom should be a function. Par blocks block keyword end. Is there some export OCaml run param is B? Is there like I don't know. Go to prefix apps in libparser ml 938. Print expr fun. So I mean, I guess one option is we can go build default lib parser. We can look at this really ugly parser ml. That the generated one, I'm sure, and this is going to be in 938. So go to prefix x, left bracket or a dot or any of these here. Where were we? Whoops. Where were we before this, though? Print expert file 938. Oh, because this is like... Wait, maybe I have something wrong here for prefix x. Prefix x should be v is var, name, prefix this or this, right? So it should be, why am I not getting... Maybe we should try something a little bit simpler than this one first. Like, let's go print expr, and let's do something like true. So now this should do X for true. That's good. Promote. And we get that one. The like dumb way of doing this would be doing each of these, and then I can get add true, false, no. Okay, so we get all of our basics here, right? So that one's good. That's still good. When we're going down our different ones here, we already did integers, floats, strings, and now I want to try this. Lpar should be... We should just make this be like this. I don't think I get anything from putting these in oh, not equals. Whoops. I'm just going to get rid of a bunch of these. I don't think they need to even be here. Like, why not? If they're always just this, can I just put them inside here? I don't see any big win to do them elsewhere. Or is there? Maybe there is. Maybe I should have been doing all of them over there. All right, let's go ahead and go back. Let's go back to here. Let's go to here, and let's go where we have return. I don't know. Let's try and find out, shall we? Keyword return. Oh, that's probably why it wasn't working. Yeah, this is probably why we should just do it here. Oh my, okay. Well, oh wait, we don't know if this fixed this problem. No, we can try this. Okay, so this still fails, but I don't know why that is. Let's just do this. What if we just have A, and then we say, let's return A. Function A, return A. I mean, this is good Lua, right? I'm not missing anything stupid, am I? No, function A, return A, end. Oh, what about this? What about just an empty function with nothing inside? Okay, so this is where I'm quite confused. You know, I'm quite confused. Go to function, keyword function. Lpar token or nothing. Rpar. This should be here, right? What up? Unlikely. What? What? So we have keyword function. We hit the keyword function. Am I not hitting this? Run 16. And here, run 16. Run 16. Rpar. We shouldn't see equals here. We should not see equals. Why would it think this? Parlist. Block is block. Okay, so block is some list of statements. Statements can be some var list equal and return. That doesn't seem right. I mean, I don't know. Next flag stuff for work and then continue OCaml. Nice. The dead man. Keyword return. Getting a higher precedence than the keyword ones. Oh, okay. Good check. We check all of these first before we get to identifier, right? So we should see return and we should see function first, right? I'm imagining this how this works, right? Because this should walk through each of these and match them. I thought this gets expanded into an actual like OCaml one, right? Because this is like some sort of like an actual match statement, not some random thing that happens. Yeah, I guess I don't know either. In the past, it has seemed so. It seems like these always get matched like correctly. Oh, uh-oh. I do have a worry. What if it's like, okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Okay, I was a little worried that it was going to be something like, because these didn't have white space next to them. A statement. It can just also be nothing here. Maybe nothing is not actually even good. Let's just say x equals 1 as our statement, because I know we can do x equals something. Like we already have that as a statement. So let's go back to our AST here, and we have block. Block is a statement list. A statement can be a binding of varlist and express or return of expr, right? And we can obviously then we can have an empty list too. I don't really know how to figure out why it's doing. Find the new config. It's pretty good so far considering how little of it I have. There's still a lot of stuff left to fix occasionally, but that's okay. All right, so where are we here? It says we're in run 16. Name. Go to stat. Go to statement. So we have a name. I still don't know. Near run 16. So we see a name, or we see keyword return, or we see keyword end. Yeah, that should be fine. Why would we not get like keyword end here or something? Maybe it has something to do with this. Is there a way to like peek? I don't know if there's a way to like peek to see. There's probably not, right? Because basically, like, you could have no block here. There'd just be nothing. But that shouldn't be a problem either. Okay, what if we just do this? Just to check. Whoops. No, so this still doesn't see this, right? Even though what I thought would happen, just don't do it. I want to be contrarian. Yeah, I know. Keyword function, lpar, some parameter list. Huh. I'm very confused. Do I even get... Is there any way to check what... I guess we could... Can we check... I wonder if we can get a Lexer thing to just see what the Lex is. Oops. Maybe something goofy is going on with how we're doing this. So let's just try and do like Lexer.read. Lexer left buff Parker token. Elexer? So if we go to parse here, we go to Lexing function, parse one expression. Lexer. Okay, nice. Lots of crazy tables. Cool. What about here though? Parse. Men here, box, men here, run. Parse 1x. Men here, stack. How do I like create a new... I just want to Lex this thing. If you want to print the tokens that you parse, you can simply print them in the Lexer MML. Oh, that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. I was thinking, can't I get... I was thinking more... We'll ask ChatGPT. We'll see if ChatGPT knows. How to get the Lex tokens from OCaml Lex as a list. Maybe there's something here already that we can do. Because I just want to get the whole... I want to get all of the tokens out, basically, right? You parse empty params, the empty parents? I think so. That's what I thought was happening. Tokenize. Match token with this token, Lex all. I assume the Lexer also expands into a module. Yeah, but it had nothing. It has like nothing on it. It's just like Lexer read, which takes some Lex buff. So I don't know how to take a Lex buff and do it. Lexing from stream. Okay, that's what we want to do. Let Lex buff is Lexing dot from string function end like this, right? Let tokens Lexer dot read, which returns a new token. 8.1 remarks. Okay, nice. Yeah, we'll check that out. We already have this open somewhere here. 8.1. Syntax is as follows. Sentence. When interpret show CST, each accept is followed the concrete syntax tree. Interpret show CST. And here interprets. Interesting. Yeah, okay. Let me just try this part really quick and then see what happens. Lex buff. Like, there should be one token. Is Lex buff mutable? It is. Okay, nice. So can I just keep on doing this while it... Can I just keep doing each of these? Parser token. Oscar. Yeah, but no one actually uses the Lex buff. Right? This is only in the generated section. So it's okay. Lexer dot... What type is this again? Parser token. Parser dot... Can I do... I can't print a... Parser. Can I like derive... I can't derive anything from this, can I? Dang. Where am I to continue to blame you? Because I'd really like to be able to print this easily. But I don't know how to derive anything on the parser token. I wonder if we can do type other token. Parser.token deriving show. No way, right? Yeah, okay, because it doesn't have token for here. Dang. This is the guy from Prime Streams. Don't let anybody know. Don't let anyone know I stream. Well, the problem is it's in this generated section here. So I don't know where to put it because it's from these tokens, right? So like it goes here. Here's my tokens, right? Type token. Thanks, Ryan. As everyone's looking. Everyone's looking here. Really hate generated code. My eyes, I know. The perfect timing. I mean, we could just write something really quick to do, but it's kind of annoying. Kind of annoying. We could cheat. We could put this inside of here. Degenerate the tokens from his brain. So like, what I would do instead is I would just go like this. Yeah. Like we could just yoink all of these, right? But it just doesn't feel right. There's really no way to just see what tokens I'm getting. I don't know. Let's go like this. Ripper 2 now for the next few months. Oh, sorry to hear that, Wild Functions. What are you okay? Okay, so it's getting a function here. This is like the dumbest way to write this of all time. It didn't get end. I'm stupid. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Nice. First try. F, but also W. That is the appropriate response right now for that. Is my eternal nemesis myself. I'm going to blame chat on that one. Yep. I'm going to blame chat on that one. That would be... Okay, so we can't do this yet. Can we get this going? Oh, probably because we removed this par list, right? We need to put a block is block back. Oh! Let's go. Look at that. Look at this. Function A. Okay, so we can't do par list yet, but we're getting closer. So teach the guy type of guy to when the me said him the type of guy. What? What? Shouldn't it fail to compile? No, because Oscar, we just didn't have a way to actually ever generate that token. All right, so this should work, right? So we have A and we're here. This one works. So let's go ahead and go, let's promote this. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing here. So we're gonna do A and B, and I want to return A plus B. Oh, you know what we should do here is we should do, before we do that, we should say, okay, can we actually get A plus A? This is basically double, right? Yes, we can. Return, add A plus A. Boom! Let's go. Okay. Now, though, we're going to go back to here. And we're going to go, okay, sure. We want to do A, B, return A plus B. He do be parson. Lexing empty token. Comma. We got to get that comma in here, boys. We'll put this one up here. We'll put it there. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're parsing, baby. Look at that. A and B, not var args. It's returned A plus B. First time back introduced to TJ Twitch OCaml subtest. What? I don't even know what you're talking about. Now we should have soon the ellipsis, but this part didn't work yet. That's okay. We'll figure it out. Jose dropped new tweet type system goodies for exceptions. Ooh. Par list. Par list should be a name list. I wonder if this comma gets eaten. Separated non-empty list. Does it let you do a trailing one? Indeed, parsing we are. Sure, it's OCaml project you're working on. We're just waiting for people to sub. Why wait for 1.17 when Gleam V1 already exists? Got him. Actual non-empty list, separated non-empty list. But I'm wondering if it eats. Does it eat this? Does it eat the last comma? Right? You guys know what I'm saying? It kind of seems like it eats it. Let's see what happens if we do this. Okay, we get ellipsis here. ... It should be ellipsis. Name list. Ellipse, comma, ellipsis. Var args true. Okay, so I don't know. Just got here building Lexer. Yes. We're writing a Lua interpreter in OCaml for fun. Function A, B. Run 0.8. What happens if I do this? Is it gonna work on that? Nope. Okay. Par list. R par. Okay, so what? Maybe I don't understand how this works. A non-empty sequence of x's separated with seps. Remove the comma. That's what I tried. That's what I just tried doing. But I don't know. So let's do this. And let's see. It says that it's failing in menhere 8. Lpar name. Okay, so we go to here and it says, yeah, we got a comma, so we're gonna go here. We got another name, comma. No, shouldn't this run 6? Should not ellipses be part of the name
Shout
list?
out to 0x Rice. I know this is funny. I think no one yet think about.
I don't think so. It's not a name list though. Like the ellipsis can only come at the end. So shouldn't it be here? No, it's not. No. This is just literally commas and names. So like comma name, and then we should be at a comma, right? So we get a name, we run 8. We get to 8, we get a comma. Why does it have R par here? But you should close list. I do. Par list 1. Look. L par, a par list, and an R par. This, in my mind, should match every time we have a name and then as many times as you have comma name after that, right? And then it should stop. I don't know what error does. Okay. You should close before the ellipsis. Why would it not match? I don't get why it would not match. Okay, it has a name list. Name list is this. It just takes one of these because name list is a list. Okay, I'm with you. Yep. Like A, B, C. Yeah, but it doesn't have anything with parentheses. It's just literally name list is this. A with optional, right? It's optionally A or AB or ABC. Right? There's no, it's not closing anything. It's just a list of names. That's right here. Separated non-empty list of comma and name. So it should, in my mind, it should get to C here. It should do a comma. There's no, correct. It does not include, it is a list of names. That's correct. A par list is a name list with optionally this or just this. Right? Maybe this one should go above this. Maybe this is because this doesn't, I don't know if it orders these or not. Separated list. It's possible, a possibly empty sequence. No, because that's not what we want. Probably just do the optional stuff in the same match arm, but with an actual option. I don't think it lets me do this. Like, I don't think it lets me go option, comma, ellipsis, right? Oh, it does? That's surprising. Here's the name was manually avoid the problem. Name comma continues. Name comma ellipses exit. Yeah, I think you're probably right, unfortunately. I think because we use separated non-empty list and it sees a comma, it says, whoa, hold up there. It has to be a name after this. That's kind of what it seems like, that's kind of a bummer. I just want it to go until it doesn't match anymore. Yeah, I know Lua has some weird syntax. I'm literally doing it from the BNF grammar for Lua, though. Is there any way for me to write this simpler? I don't really want to have to write this part as a separate list, but I guess it's fine. Yeah, because I guess it should keep matching until it can't do it anymore. That's the goofy part, right? You're using for generate. Yeah, we're using men here and OCaml. I mean, we get like what would be kind of fun. Actually, this is not the worst idea ever. I don't think. If we did this, what if we did this, chat? We did comma white. Does this work? I think it's like something goofy like this. There's no way this is a good idea though, right? But I kind of want to try it anyways. So the reason that I think this is not the worst idea is look at how this puts this together. It says these two are one token. This is like trailing. This is the only place you can put it. Know what I'm saying? Like you can, if you have these, this is like a token. You see how it's grouped together? I actually think it's not that bad of an idea. Because this is basically like a token. This is trailing ellipse. Right? And this is just an ellipse. I'm going to do that. And you won't be able to stop me, Oscar. So, too bad. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. Okay. So that's most of this. Just you wait. How can you code for such a long period of time? Well, I sit down and then I start writing the code. And then I don't get up and I don't let up my focus. And then each time you do that, you get a little bit better at it. And then after a while, you can do it for a really long time. Oh, my focus?
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
It's my focus. That's where my focus is. He just doesn't have the ADHD DLC. I thought ADHD was supposed to let you sit down and code forever. Why is half the time people say ADHD is a superpower for coding forever, and then the other? I don't understand. The focused bait. Oh, it's focused. Depends on the day. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't think I have ADHD though. I don't think so. You know, chat, like when wait, why did the music stop? Or did it? Oh, it just was in between songs. Like when Abraham Lincoln and Douglas had their debates, it was like a 6-hour debate outside. People just sat down, spent the whole day sitting down and listening. Just like regular people. Like it's just possible to try and focus. Is it that or stare at the sun? Can't focus on Subway servers? Okay, well that's fair. We can turn it into focus mode if you guys want, chat. We'll just get focus mode right now. Finally, you shouldn't believe everything you read on the internet. Abe Lincoln, true. It's pretty wild that he said that. Let's be real, it's not ADHD, it's TikTok brain. It's not the only part of it. Now I really can't get any work done. Okay. Chat, you're getting me distracted. We're getting pretty far on parsing like almost everything, so I kind of, even though I said I shouldn't do this, we're going to keep on going a little further because I said I should be done, but I'm having a lot of fun. Okay, so we have we have function now. So now we have prefix expression. We haven't done everything in prefix expression yet. We need to do function call. Let function call is going to be prefix args. P is prefix x. A is args. I think it's just args, right? We haven't done this one yet. Okay, nice. If we have to do that one as well. This should really have like a space in between it. Honestly, you just spend hours trying to read from textbooks. Can I read? Spend hours trying to get past. Yeah. No, it's not that literally every single way of learning is going to work for every single person. I think that's sort of like that's sort of a result of people thinking that, oh, because we do school where people sit down and look at the teacher, everyone should just be able to learn that way. I don't think that's really smart at all. But it is possible to like find ways to help yourself focus at certain tasks. But it's not true that everyone can always do everything. That's also pretty dumb. Also pretty dumb. Okay, so if we go back to function call, I don't know if we need to do something different for each of these. I feel like we have basically of expr, and then I guess it's like an expr list. I forgot that we reset, so pick its whole song again. Through the night. Through the night. Oof. Beats, heart sinks, emotions start to fray. His code's a masterpiece, no room to sway. Rejected again, he can't understand why. Won't give up, no, he'll reach for the sky. Rejected God, it's just the start. The expression sound There you go. There's the one auto-tune. How does he get that much seconds to play? I'll let you in a little secret. He took your mom on a date. What's the relation? Your mother? I don't understand. Do you know Wilma? Wilma jokes make people laugh. If your name's Pravon, no. Pick gave 1,000 gifted subs. Yep, that's how. I got you, Pravon. I'm way ahead of you. I'm way ahead of you. Prefix, name, and args. Prefix, name, args. Table call. Now we won't have args, right? All right. Name. Cologne. Cologne. Do we have a cologne here? Any coloners in chat? Cologne. L par. X list 1. R par. You did 3 weeks of elixir. It can happen to anyone. Why are you so smart? What's the pun though? Wilma. Balls. Just think about it, chat. Cologne. Will they what? I gotta know. Will they... Candace. Will they Candace? I actually don't know. This should probably return a table. Does string... What do we have for string already? S is string. Yeah, so we want to do this, I think. Something like this. And it's going to say, yo, dog. Do we have X plus 1 already? Whew. Okay, nice. Certified Candice. X list 1. I think we can just do... Now that I think of it, we probably just go let X list 1. And then this should just be E is not separated non-empty list, comma, X, right? And then this is just E. Pretty sure. Have you seen the Taikalu? Taikalugi? I don't know. I don't know this one. I'm not familiar with this one. Taikalugi cat. Nice, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's some rare technology. Not as rare as iLadies, but it's still pretty good. Table constructor field list. This one goes right after par list 1. Right before par list 1. Right after. Okay, I like it. Let table constructor. Bonk. It needs to be R brace, which we haven't done yet. Something. L brace. L brace. And then what are we going to do? We're going to do a table with no fields, I guess. So this is just like this for now. We haven't done either of these. L brace, R brace. Token, L brace. R brace. L brace. R brace. L brace plus ratio. Left with the highlights thing a while ago. Nice. It doesn't matter because it still made people laugh, and that's the good part of the joke. You know what I mean? Like, that's the good part of the joke. Unbound constructor, table. Table of field list. Probably easiest to do field list like this, right? And we can say what's a field? And field is key expr. I don't know. Value expr, something like this. It doesn't really matter exactly yet. Just something along these lines. So let's try some function calls. Functions. So let's do print expr, and we should be able to do something like f with nothing. Expect. Expert. Change to be a backtrace. Functions should work. Can it not just be a function call all by itself? Prefix function prefix x should just be a function call. That should work just fine. Function call should be this and this with nothing inside. Args can be an L. Oh, it's optional. It's optional. Why would you do that to me? Why would we even do that? Match E with some E. Oh, let's go down here. Boom. Excellent. Promote. Ooh, function call name is F and there's no arguments. Life is good. The president did work a while back and listed software international Playboy and CEO of HTMX, and I didn't find out afterward that some of the C-suite were there and very confused. Oh, dude, that's pretty funny, Steve. That's pretty funny. Okay, so now we can do F. That's a pretty good one. Hello. Promote. String hello. Boom! Yes, chat. Yes! Must be doing something right. True. People really like overestimate how much not being fired should fix a lot of your worries. Okay, so we didn't do this yet. Or it's not doing, we didn't do it right. Table constructor. Table constructor is R brace. Once again. don't know why I want to put those backwards. It could have something to do with 6 hours straight of programming, but that's okay. So what we need to do here is we need to do a list of fields. Fields. Oh, field list. Field list. Okay, so let's say it says, hey, what's a field list? Dude, I freaking love writing these kinds of things where you just get to basically like, you write one thing and then it breaks. So then you get to write the next thing and then you can fix it. And then you just keep on going over and over. Oh my goodness, it feels good, chat. You just keep going. You just, let's just fix the next thing. Field. Field sep field. Okay, so this is list of field seps. One or more of these. So this is basically list of field sep field. This part's a little bit weird because how am I going to capture these? I don't know. Option field sep. Something like this. It doesn't really matter right now. We'll just kind of not use any of them. It's called TDD. It's kind of like TDD, except we're generating our tests as we go, but it's fine. But it can also be Rust. But what? Okay, so a field, we can have L bracket E key is expr. R bracket equal value is exp. All right, it's not exp here. We called it exp because that was good. And then we have key value, bonk bonk. Then we have name is exp or just an exp. So we have name is name equal, because then this turns really into a string. I have to think about how we can do this in a sec, but it's okay, I guess. And then value is exp. So we have name of name. That's what key is. And then we have value. And then we also just optionally have exp, which I guess is there's none. So let's handle this one in a sec. Field sep is not defined. Comma or semicolon. Unused variable field. Oh, okay. It doesn't like that I have this here. Let's go. I haven't done Rust programming, but the compiler is the most. It's a pretty helpful compiler. Yeah. Okay, so where did we do here? So we did field list. Oh, this is option, right? We can optionally have this. No, that doesn't make sense. A list would be of nothing, so that should be fine. Field list. Field sep field. Field. Oh, this would be that there's right. This is optional. option dot default value. I think, can I go default or something like this? We should probably just use this other places as well. This is basically what we want to do. I rest for like 2 weeks now and I love it. Yeah, but we don't need pipes for this one. It's just, we should write it like this, realistically. We'll have to see why some of our shifts, or why some of our states don't work. Key is X here. The last one is that we just get E is X. Then what are we going to do? We're going to say key is none. Value. So these all need to be options, basically. So when we go back to here, we should have X per option. It doesn't have to have a key. Play me in. You got it. Don't see something a lot of us at work. Yeah, it really depends on the kind of projects you're doing. All right, so now we also want to do this, and we want to say something like x equals 5. All right, so we haven't actually done this yet because field list. We need to do something here where we actually combine these, right? This part's a little bit annoying because it's sort of match fields with, oh, can't I just go, I think I just want to go here and go like this, I think, right? I think that'll work. Let's see if this is good. I have no idea. But I think it should. Promote. Oops. So we get X is 5. Yep. Nice. Let's do the same thing, but let's just go 1, 2, 3. It just works. Key equals 4. Something like this. Key is non-val. Oh my goodness! Chat, look at that. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. Key is 4. Yep. Yep. Oh, and we probably should also test doing like this can be a semicolon and this can be a comma here too for no reason. Should be illegal to write this fast. I agree. Okay, so we didn't handle trailing, I think. Or we didn't handle, let's see which one it didn't like first. Okay, so it liked this one just fine. It doesn't like when we have a trailing one here, I think. All right, we'll see which one. Okay, so this one's fine. And then this is where it gets angry. It doesn't like trailing yet. That's okay. List of... Oh, this is the same problem that we have here when we used list last time, which is pretty annoying. Is there like a trail? Is there one that's fine with it being trailing? We can write it ourselves is fine, but it still sort of feels like... Yep. Yeah, you can intersperse them and they can trail. Right, the problem is here with the Menhir. Does anyone know of distinguishable in clipboard? I'm not sure actually. That's a good question. Once equipped with root parameterization and inlining, straightforward approach to collection, commonly used options. So I think I need to read a little bit more about how you could inline plist. Because all option the option improves to production. Separate non-list comma. Is there a built-in Menhir function for list with optional trailing separator? Ugh, this way kind of sucks though. Because you're just concatenating lists together, so it kind of kills your... Like this way, I feel like kind of sucks because it kind of kills... You just like are gonna append all the lists, which is not... It's not so bad, but it's still just kind of like... Really? Otherwise you have to do reverse though, which is also fine, but it's... Any way to do it with inline or something similar? Can you parameterize this? Okay, so let's try and say, let's say we do something like this, right? So let's say so this is we can say trailing list. Wait, where was tail before? All right, so let's go to our field list. What blue was the comparison moving my fair laps, Python, Mandelbrot, General, and the rest one? Yeah, that makes sense. Ah! Oh my goodness. This is an actual jump scare. Actual jump scare, chat. Trailing list. Oh, whoops. There's a cycle of inline non-terminal signatures. Lib parser non-empty refers to itself. Okay. Is that not allowed? I got this error. Dag nabbit. Dag nabbit, chat. That doesn't even solve anything. Ooh, Groovebox Minor is nice. Groovebox Minor is looking sharp. Oh. You made it? Oh, really? Oh, it looks good, Ricky. Okay, so we can't... So currently we can't do this, but we can do trailing field list maybe. Nothing. Right? We have field sep field. I think I can do this, right? Will this still work? Oh, right. But then this needs to be... It needs to call itself again, right? Something like this. Syntax. All right, here. Okay, nice. But will this work then? I think this one still works, right? Okay, this is nothing. Nice. Oh yeah, boys. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. It's good. I mean, so this is a little bit of a bummer that there's no sort of way to like automatically do this. I mean, and this is not like amazing. Realistically, what we should probably do is we probably should go like this. Like this, right? And then we should do like this, right? I think this will give us the same thing. I did it backwards. Some key value 321. No, that's not what we want to do. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought I was going to have to reverse this. I guess it's fine. I more often see OCaml on your channel. Why is it instead of Haskell? I've never really written Haskell. I thought this would have... Oh, it's probably not tail recursive. That's probably why. Well, that's why it's okay to do. Is this Pix alt? Yeah. Pix going over into YouTube chat and trying to spread Haskell. I guess that makes sense. So it's like, it's not tail recursive, but that's fine. We don't need it. Might look like a Haskellr. I keep getting told that I look young. So it doesn't seem right. Okay, well, either way, it seems like it's working right now for me. So I'm going to keep going with this. Name is F. In the chat, args, table, key. Yeah. Okay, that's surprisingly working. Is that function call? So I think we have all of the cases here, right? We have prefix, arbs, we have this and name, right? Wait, did we do the colon one yet? I guess we haven't tested it yet. There's like no way that these are gonna work, right? I mean, we've actually had such good progress so far today. I actually can't believe it. Oh my goodness, first try, look at this table call, prefix name. The name is name here, right? And then here's our args, 1, 2, and last arg. Oh, if you know the size, I think not tail recursive is fine. Well, it just can't be that big because it's like the number of arguments that we're gonna do. You know what I mean? So it's like, it's not that bad. Chat, we're parsing so much of Lua today. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see what you're saying. If I know, generally speaking, the range of the size, the order of the size. Yeah. Right. Like, I know that it's not unbounded, basically. I do want to add spaces to some of these because it's a little confusing otherwise. So we have var, we did that. Function call, we did that. We did this. Var is name or prefix apps here or this. Yep. Function call is prefix. Yep. Explicit. Yep. Table constructor. Yep. String. Yep. Function. Yep. Prefix apps. Yep. Oh, we can have a table constructor. True. There should be apparently table T. No. Oh, wait. No. I think it should be... Okay. It's a good one, but it's a little bit bright. It's a little bit bright. Exp, binop, exp. We already have that one. And we don't have unary operations. I don't know where unary operations should bind... They should bind last? Should they bind last? It should be here. This is like exp unary, right? Probably, I think. That's exactly how I feel as well. This should be... What are my unops here? Negative, not, and octothorpe. Minus. E. Do we have a unary op already? We don't have it. So we need like negative, I guess. Unary operations. Negative of expr, not of expr. And what else do we have? And oh yeah, len of expr. So this should become negative of exp. Then we should have not exp is exp, not exp. And then we should have octothorpe, of course. Oh, this is... Oh, did we not do not yet? We didn't. And, okay. He did not do not. It's true. Okay, but I still don't know why... Oh, right. This should be... exp atom, maybe? Should all of these be exp atoms? And then these should be exp unup here. Adam mentioned, let's go. What about Adam? What? We should test some unary operators, I guess, too, right? So let's go ahead and do let's expect test unary. I guess now we can actually do something nice here, too, which is we can just go something like this. This should work okay. We should be able to go print expr, and we should just be able to test a bunch of these in the same one, which would be like not true. -5, length of 1, 2, 3, something like this, right? Like we should be able to do this and then do exp atom. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. So we have value, not true. Number is -5. Nice. Oh, that gets yoinked up into that. That's probably fine. We probably should check negative hello. Promote. We'll do the same thing over here. I mean, is that not working? Negative, yes, +7. I don't know. It kind of seems like it's working to me. Add negative, yes, 7. Dang. Okay, nice. Yeah, we can check of strings as well. Yeah. It shouldn't really matter. But it doesn't hurt to do. Boom. Okay, so then we did X bin up. Did we just do all of the expressions? I think we just did all of the expressions, chat. Let's go back to here. So let's start back at the top again. Lua equals complete. Well, we didn't do all of the statements yet. We still have to go back and do like, so if we go back to our let stat here, we have a var list. We don't have function call. Call statement F, which we haven't done yet. Statements can be call. I think we can just call this call. Call F. Okay. Whomst might be thy font. Yeah, we handle that one too. While x do block end. I feel like this one we can do. I feel a bunch of these we can do like pretty easily, right? Where is return? Last stat. Oh yeah, last. Oh, it's the last thing in a chunk, I guess. Return. Where else is return? Interesting. Okay, so we didn't do this quite right, but that's okay. We'll sort that out in a sec. So how easy would this be? So let's see. We have while condition is x, do block is block. It's super easy still. It's super easy still. While condition block. And we go back to here and we go to it's not gonna stop me, chat. It's not gonna stop me. While of condition expression block. Oh, whoops, expr, right? Should probably call this while condition and while block. This is kind of like the OCaml way to do this, so you don't have to specify so many. You don't have to specify types for a bunch of these. We don't have do yet. While, we haven't done that either. So we should just get all of our keywords here. We have token, keyword while, token, keyword do, token, keyword for. What are the other ones that are coming? Repeat, token, keyword repeat, token, keyword then, token, keyword if, token, keyword else, and it's else if, right? Else if, yeah. I always forget for some reason. Token, else if, token, keyword in, do block and repeat. Oh, until, right? Keyword until, repeat, do. I think that's probably good. Cool, Red Project working on the parts. Yeah, we're actually pretty far. We're actually pretty far, which is fun. Token. So we need to do for. Whoops. Yeah. For. While. Should we try? Let's just try and write a macro for this. QA here, delete word, tab, forward to here, yank word, paste, back, G word. Okay. I should have just done this at the start, because I definitely knew that I could have done that. Do we have end twice here? Did we not do? We did it for do though, right? Oh, right. I still have to go to do. Keyword here, keyword here. I still don't know. I don't know what we're doing here that we have like shift reduce problems here. That part's confusing me. So do block end. Oh, we also can just have a do block, right? Keyword do block is block. Keyword end. Do block. We go back to here and we just go do block. While we did that, now we need repeat condition, expr, repeat block, and that's gonna be the same thing because this is repeat block until expr. Keyword repeat block is block, and then is it until? Keyword until do or repeat condition. Wait, did I not put a condition? Oh, I did. Okay. Repeat condition expr or exp repeat condition repeat block. Oh, this is so beautiful, chat. It's just like you just write each one. You just write each one. This one's harder. This one's harder, so we'll skip this for a sec. Because we'll have to write a bit more. Or probably what I should do is probably just quit because I was going to record a video. I have to record a video today for Prime. I have to record it so I can upload it so that I can send it for Prime so he can record, so he can react to it in Brazil. I promised him. So I probably should go, but then we'll finish this tomorrow probably. We'll probably have a parser for the whole language tomorrow. Right? Because how many do we have left? We have to do this. This is not very hard. We already have most of the hard parts for this. We already have this, mostly. We just have to do a few small things here. Var list, done. Var, done. Nameless, done. Explicit, done. Exp, done. Prefix, exp, done. Function call, done. Args, done. Function, done. Func body, done. Parlist, done. Table constructor, done. Field, done. Yeah. It's literally like we just have to finish these and this, basically. That's it. So we almost did the whole thing in one day. Using this bad boy interpreter. Metamy, just in time for me to leave. I don't know if we'll do bytecode first.
Easy now, fuzzy little man Peach.
I
Have a drunk Bailey's from a shoe.
Nightshade, were you hanging out in a different chat? Not since earlier pick, so kind of seems like my mods were somewhere else. Best part about this is when raiders come in, they're like so outed for not being in chat. It's like it got red-handed in 4K, dude. Oh man, that's so funny. Yo, what up, Metamy? Metamy, we almost finished an entire Lua parser today, and I had never done this before with for like with Menir and all this stuff. So we're actually pretty far. Like probably could have finished today if I waited 1 or 2 more hours, but I need to go record something, and if we knew what was happening at the beginning. The awkward for Nightshade dude if Pokemon rates us. Exactly. So it's pretty sweet, actually. I'm really happy with it. I think it ended up looking really cool. Yeah, exactly. Pick, I see you. It's a good trick, though. It's a good trick. Very sus. Very, very sus. I can't tell if this is giving a warning every time. Dune run test. Like, what happens if I do... Okay, so we have some of these that don't work, but I think all the other ones are old, hopefully. Cat lib parser dot conflicts. Oh, what? What happens if I remove this? Okay, it's not there. So I don't understand. Those are from earlier, maybe? Dune build. Huh. That must have been from earlier. Okay. All right, cool. We got to raid somebody. Oh, we should probably save this. Save as grammar.txt. I wonder if there's like a BN set FT is BNF. Oh, I was wondering if there was a grammar, if there was highlighting for BNF inside of here. Twitch. Pick, did you just get your theme song deleted? No, okay.
You want to dive straight into Simplore for a
Trash Hubby, nice. Who we not rated in a long time.
They're all safe.
We haven't rated Trash Puppy in a little bit. I don't think I've ever... Zinka? I don't think I've ever heard of her. Who should we raid today, chat? Pizza Princess G?
Bro. Yes, Chandu.
Who is this? There's someone making pizza? Oh, they were in my sidebar. Oh, got it. Okay. The literal pizza stream. She rates Prime. Got it. Should we just raid and say discount Primogen? That's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Everyone can just say hello from the discount Primogen. Okay? What is the chant we said at Thor? No. We'll just say hello from discount Primogen. Okay, I gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully with a video. Use code the Primogen for 10% off. Exactly. Okay, bye everybody. See you later. See everyone. Have a good day. We'll do some more of this tomorrow. This was really fun. Even if it was kind of a super random tangent, but that's why I have stream now. Let's go. Bye. Just watch the next video.